Yeah, what's good, YouTube? Yeah, I originally didn't want to feel like doing this video today, but I'm going ahead and I'm just going ahead and repair this battery for this weed whacker where I got right here. This one battery came out defective, one didn't, and this battery works well, but this one when I first got the weed whacker and what's happening, it wasn't working, it wasn't charging. So and a while later, I didn't bother it. I had it last year, but I didn't bother it dealing with it. And I was gonna have to return back, but like I'm gonna look into it, be curious what's going on. And lo and behold, this wire was always broken. Apparently, whoever put this battery together didn't solder it properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and resolder this. And this other battery is great. I marked it so I know which one it is. The one with the green mark is the one I repaired. So, uh, give me 1 second here. Yeah, so it looks like I may put a little bit more solder. Ooh, where the camera at? Okay, put the solder here. So warm this up a little bit. And some solder iron should be warmed up by now. Here we go. Alright, one moment while I get this solder here. It's gonna be hard for me to hold my phone at the same time. I'll go ahead and solder this in, then show the results. Hold on. Alright, finished soldering down. Apparently it wasn't soldered all the way in. Somebody did a bad job soldering it, so I corrected it. I did put a little bit of flux in it, and yeah, it wasn't none on it. So, all right, one moment while I give it a test. Okay, it's a test. This is the battery with the green mark to it. Okay, this is the test here. All right. This I said, excuse my floor. I'm doing a remodeling here, so excuse that. All right.